One of the major key components that we do to make our program effective is the random drug testing. We try to make sure that for our population, which is a DWI cohort, well, obviously alcohol is the issue. So, I mean, we could test for opiates and cocaine and things like that, but chances are that's not what they're going to test positive for. So we're trying to put more, in terms of drug testing, we're trying to do more ETG testing, more random breath testing, to ensure that those clients are not drinking.
So the program ensures that our participants are tested on a random and frequently by being placed on a color program. The participants will get a color assigned to them at the very beginning of the program, and they must call evolution on a daily basis. If their color is called, they'll go down and they'll go to evolution and provide a urine sample, which will be tested for drugs and alcohol. So the color program is how we ensure that they are randomly and frequently tested. They are also BAC'd in the probation's office, as well as drug tested. If there's any suspicion that this person might be using, we will tend to drug test them in the probation office.
I ensure that my participants adhere to the drug testing by making sure I read the reports as they come in a timely fashion, so I don't miss anything. One of the most important things is in the drug court program is to make sure that if somebody has a misstep or forgets something, they know about it right away, so that they can connect that missed behavior with whatever sanction will be employed.
Another key component that we use that makes our teams our program successful is a team approach. We have our own email group that once we email to that specific group, it goes to the judge, it goes to treatment, it goes to the probation officers, it goes to the defense attorney, and it goes to the prosecuting attorney as well. So everybody's in the loop, and I think that's one of the main reasons that this program is so successful, is because when something happens, when a client is non-compliant, we know about it right away and we're addressing it right away. And that's another key component that I feel that makes our program successful is the sanctions happen fairly quickly, that behavior modification happens.
Does he still get any kind of random ETGs or anything like that, or any other drug testing?
He does a breathalyzer when he comes in.
Mm-hmm. But are we testing for anything else? Just
No,
to be.
we can't.
I'm just wondering because just for honesty's sake, and if we want to test him for any other drugs, maybe randomly, maybe when he comes in here. Mm-hmm. I don't know. What do you all think?
I would really like to explore the idea of having a memorandum of understanding with Poake Pueblo, because under the grant we do have funding for drug tests.
Every time that something is missed or something is forgotten, or it doesn't matter what the excuse is, there is going to be some sort of response so that they connect. If they miss a drug test or they test positive, there's an immediate response, and then they get the connection so that they can make some adjustments. Sometimes they just need a little bit of assistance. Maybe they're not organized and they just need a calendar. So it really is having that conversation and finding out, well, why do you think you missed? Why is this a problem? Just sort of getting in there and getting that answer.